At TI, we have always believed that industrialization should not be at the cost of one's environment. We have always believed that with progress in industrialization, we must also take adequate care of the harmful impacts of such industrialization on the environment. At TI, over a period of time, we have always invested in technologies through which these harmful effects can be minimized or prevented.
छायाम् अन्यस्य कुर्वन्ति तिष्ठन्ति स्वयं मातवे फलान्यपि परार्थाय वृक्षा सत्पुरुषाय छायाम् अन्यस्य कुर्वन्ति. It provides shade or protection from heat to others, itself standing under the sun. It bears fruits that also for others' benefit.
As part of celebrations for the World Environment Day, TI organized a unique program. There was a cycle rally from Mumbai to Shrirampur, or a distance of around 330 kilometers, which was covered by 40 participants from our company all over India. Essentially, there were two objectives behind this rally. One was to create awareness for the environment and to create awareness for a green and sustainable future for our country. The second was also to promote cycle as an effective means of transportation, and it's also an excellent form of exercise in today's busy lifestyle.
Our ancient sages and our heritage has also taught us that one has to live to help others. Paropakarartham idam shariram. God has given us this body to help and serve others. At TI also, we have initiated some steps in our adopted 51 bodies as part of the Millennium Development Goals set by the UN to help our deprived brethren.
Goal 1. Eradicate extreme poverty and hunger. Tilaknagar Industries Limited's Ma Ananteshwari Devi Annakshetra is an initiative to provide free wholesome meals to the needy. This initiative covers more than 1 million people annually and has been running for the past 5 years.
की आमच्या इथले जे पुरुष मंडळी आहे ना हे सर्व वीटभट्टीवर जातात. राहतो आम्ही इथं सर्व महिला आणि लेकरं, पण आपण आम्ही आमचं घर सोडून कुठे जाऊ शकत नाही ना, त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला या जेवणाचा खूप लाभ होतो.
इथं 2007 पासून इथं आम्ही सगळं महिला बचत गट एक संस्थेतून आम्ही अन्नदान करतोय.
At the Shrirampur Annakshetra, over 25 tons of organically cultivated vegetables grown within the company's premises are used for cooking the meal. A Goshala of over 240 cattle provides milk for the 700 school students on campus. A 100 cubic meter gobar gas unit supplies cooking gas to the kitchen. This results in a saving of 2 commercial cylinders daily. Goal 2. Achieve universal primary education. Tilaknagar Industries Limited runs an English medium school since 1978. The school has 807 students and about 37 faculty members and has been successfully running for the past 37 years.
They are providing number of facilities to the students, not only education, other than education also. That They are looking after the welfare of the students, especially the poor section.
इयत्ता 9वीमध्ये मी शाळा सोडली होती. कंपनीतले साहेब लोक टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीजचे सर्वेसाठी जेव्हा आठवड्यात आले तेव्हा त्यांनी मला काम करताना पाहिलं. तर ते मला म्हणले का तू काम करतो या वयात तू शिक, आम्ही तुला सर्व खर्च तुझा आम्ही देऊ, शैक्षणिक तुला जे खर्च लागेल ते आम्ही कंपनीतर्फे सर्व तुला देऊ. आता मी 12वी पास झालो फक्त त्यांच्यामुळे. टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीजचा मी खूप आभारी आहे, त्यांनी माझी एवढी मदत केली.
The Marathi medium school, supported by TI, has been running since 1945 and has a current strength of about 600 students and 19 staff members.
झाडे लावा झाडे जगवा ही जी शासनाची स्कीम आहे, तर ती स्कीम डहाणूकर उद्योग समूहाच्या माध्यमातून अतिशय चांगल्या प्रकारे राबवली जाते. विद्यार्थ्यांना झाडाचं महत्त्व त्यांच्यामुळेच प्राप्त झालेलं आहे. ग्रंथालयाच्या बाबतीमध्ये पुस्तकाची मागणी केली तर लगेच पुस्तकं मिळतात. मागील वर्षी विद्यार्थ्यांना 10,000 वह्या कंपनीने वाटलेल्या आहेत. म्हणजे अशा प्रकारे सतत सहकार्य कंपनीच्या माध्यमातून होत आहे आणि त्यामुळेच विद्यार्थ्याची संख्या ही सारखी वाढत आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये विद्यार्थी प्रगती करत आहे.
Goal 3. Promote gender equality and empower women. Tilaknagar Industries Limited has initiated a vermicompost business model for women self-help groups in adjoining villages with 100% buyback agreements to promote entrepreneurship.
बचत गटाला रोजगार उपलब्ध व्हावा म्हणून टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीजने आम्हाला सहाय्य केलं. त्याला पूरक म्हणून त्यांनी गांडूळ आम्हाला दिली. त्यातून आम्ही सर्व महिलांनी मिळून गांडूळ खताचा प्रोजेक्ट उभा केला. त्याबद्दल मी टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीजचे आभारी आहे. नमस्कार.
Another novel project for sanitary pad production was initiated last year to promote women's healthcare while generating employment in the communities.
गावातील ग्रामीण भागातील महिलांसाठी हा उद्योग अत्यंत उपयुक्त आहे. त्यांच्या आरोग्याच्या दृष्टीने रोजगार मिळावा यांच्या दृष्टीने हा उद्योग सुरू केलेला आहे. टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीजचे ह्या पॅड बनवण्याचा प्रकल्प जो सुरू केला आहे त्याबद्दल फार आभारी आहोत.
Goal 4. Reduce child mortality. Tilaknagar Industries Limited has been working with Anganwadi workers in its adopted wadis to address the medical needs of prenatal health care. The medical assistance is provided right from pregnancy till the child attains 6 years of age. Awareness camps are conducted time and again to educate the mothers about balanced nutrition by our in-house nutritionists.
2008 पासून जे कॅम्प चालू झालेला आहे ना, तेव्हापासून आम्ही कुपोषित बालकं इथं घेऊन येतो. दरवर्षी इथं शिबिर होतं. आहार तज्ज्ञ डॉक्टर येऊन व्यवस्थित आहाराविषयी आहार देणं सांगणं आणि औषध उपचार करतात आमच्या मुलांचं. म्हणून आम्ही कंपनीचे आभार मानतो.
Goal 5. Improve maternal health. Tilaknagar Industries Limited organizes specialized camps for pregnancy diagnosis by UPT tests followed by health and nutrition guidance to pregnant women.
आपण टिळकनगर कंपनीमार्फत जे कॅम्प घेतो त्याच्यामध्ये प्रेग्नंट वुमनची पण काळजी घेतो. विशेष म्हणजे वजन करायसाठी प्रोत्साहन देतो आणि BP तपासायला बोलवतो. तसंच आयर्न आणि कॅल्शियमच्या गोळ्या देतो दर 15 दिवसाला जाऊन, म्हणजे त्यांचं वजन वाढलं पाहिजे याच्यासाठी.
Goal 6. Combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases. Tilaknagar Industries Limited supports Swayam Prerit Vikas Sansthan Trust in Sangamner, Maharashtra through supply of medicines.
मी, माझी मिसेस, माझे आईवडील एड्स बाधित 18 मुलं सांभाळत आहोत. या मुलं सर्व 3 ते 14 वयोगटातील आहे. आज 2 वर्ष झाले माझ्या मुलांचं आयुष्य वाढलेलं आहे. या टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीमुळं माझ्या मुलांना चांगले तर चांगलं खाणं मिळतं आहे, चांगले ते चांगले कपडे मिळत आहेत, सगळं खेळणी मिळते, वया पुस्तकं सगळं मिळतं. हे सगळं टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीमुळं शक्य झालं.
The company's medical staff conducts and supports awareness camps in schools and adjoining wadis on AIDS, hepatitis, malaria, and other critical illnesses. Eye checkup camps have been conducted since June 2009 and over 300 patients have been funded for cataract surgery. Free medical checkups and aid has been provided to the needy in the adopted wadis.
माझ्या दोन्ही पण डोळ्याचं ऑपरेशन झालेले आहे आणि माझी नजर आता एकदम तेज झालेली आहे.
माझे 3 ऑपरेशन झाले, पेसमेकरच टाकेले मला. शेठचा आभार मानतो ना आम्ही, शेठनीच केलं नाही सगळं.
डायबिटीस आहे तो खूप वर्षापासून आहे आणि मला टिळकनगर डिस्टरीज यांच्यापासून 2 ते 2.5 वर्षापासून मी यांच्याकडून मेडिसिन घेत आहे. इंजेक्शन जे काही मिळतं ते यांच्यातर्फे मिळतं मला.
Goal 7. Ensure environmental sustainability. Last year, Tilaknagar Industries Limited undertook its largest tree plantation and distribution drive across 5 states: Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Goa, Punjab, and Maharashtra. In line with the UN's theme of forests, nature at your service, more than 25,000 trees have been planted in the last 3 years, while over 1 lakh saplings have been distributed as a part of the United Nations Billion Tree Program.
वृक्षारोपणाचा कार्यक्रम आपल्या टिळकनगर इंडस्ट्रीज ते चेअरमन अमितसाहेब धारूरकर गावामध्ये त्यांनी झाडे लावण्याचा आणि झाडे जगवण्याचा असा एक संदेश देत आले. तो संदेश आपल्या मूळ गावात म्हणजे रांजूरखोल गावातही दिलेला आहे. गेल्या 3 वर्षापासून ते हा कार्यक्रम करतात. तर मी ग्रामस्थांवरती त्यांचं अभिनंदन करतो, कारण आज पर्यावरणाची खूप गरज आहे.
$197 school children from Srirampur Taluka have participated in the Inter-Taluka essay competition held on World Environment Day in June 2011. A 100 kilowatt rooftop solar installation has been undertaken at the company's bottling unit in Andhra Pradesh, resulting in 70% energy cost reduction and reduced dependence on grid electricity. More than 100 solar street lamps have been distributed to 51 adopted wadis for the purpose of street lighting. The company supports tribal villagers in the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve Forest in Coimbatore as a one-of-a-kind pilot project to achieve sustainable farming through micro-irrigation and marketing support. Apart from addressing the Millennium Development Goals, Tilaknagar Industries Limited supports the needs of its surrounding communities through various developmental activities from time to time. Around 10,000 blankets were distributed to the homeless families and the ones below poverty line during winter of 2011. 47 tricycles were distributed to the physically challenged villagers across the 51 adopted wadis. The company has been conducting community marriages since 2009, and over 90 couples have benefited since then. TI continues to support the upkeep, renovation, and maintenance of various religious places of worship such as temples, mosques, and churches. The TI Sports Club offers different kinds of sports such as table tennis, lawn tennis, taekwondo, cricket, volleyball, and badminton, and has had representation at various state and national level competitions. Tilaknagar Industries Limited supports over 100 senior citizens in the different adjoining villages with its monthly pension program. These beneficiaries hail from the adopted wadis and do not have any relatives or heir. TI has been supporting upcoming sportspersons since the last 5 years and has supported more than 50 such candidates last year. One of them, Mr. Aaron D'Souza, is participating in the Olympics swimming qualifiers as a probable contingent member to the London Olympics. More than 50,000 litres of RO drinking water is distributed on a daily basis to the nearby villages who suffer from acute water shortages. Animal Welfare Center has been set up last year, catering to the needs of over 250 abandoned and injured animals. Tilaknagar Industries Limited was awarded the Mother Teresa Award for its achievement in fulfilling the Millennium Development Goals.
For TI, creating a healthy and happy society has always been our objective, and we stand committed towards fulfilling it.